So if you have a lemon law issue, if you're having defect problems, you might be thinking to yourself, why don't I just handle this myself? I can call the car company. Here's why. First, this is a legal issue. The companies have trained representatives, trained in the law, and not just trained in the law, trained how to get you to make admissions that could hurt a potential case, and also with various scripts is how to get you to basically take nothing, just basically sweet talk you, not really do anything substantive. And look at it this way. If you had a medical issue, you needed to have surgery, would you do surgery on yourself? Probably not. Why would you do that with a legal issue? The other thing is this. Sometimes car companies do help people out, but it's only in the most extreme cases, and most of the time they don't follow the law. And that's why there's an attorney's fee provision in the Arizona lemon law. They wouldn't have added that if car companies were doing the right thing. As you know, this state is not the most consumer friendly or attorney friendly state. So obviously the car companies weren't doing the right thing. And here's the reason why. They know that out of every 10 legitimate cases, maybe 1 or 2 people will go the extra step and get an attorney if the car company says go fly a kite, even if the consumer threatens to get an attorney. So at the end of the day, you have a much better chance of getting something fair if you have an attorney. And the reason is because the car company, once you do get an attorney, they are scared of getting sued. And unlike some firms that practice this area of law, we actually do sue car companies if they're not fair to our clients. So please contact us if you're having vehicle issues, and don't think that if you contact the car company that they'll just help you. Something else to keep in mind. I'm sure you followed the news. You hear that there's a $20 recall that should have been done that didn't get done because it's cheaper for the car companies to pay out individual claims for people who are injured or even killed than to just do the recall. So do you think that if they're not replacing a part in a car where somebody could even get killed, that they would be looking out for your best interest if you contact them with a lemon law issue? Probably not. And look, the car companies, they're trying to control their costs and not have high expenses. And I think they're not too helpful to people who don't have attorneys because they don't want word getting out that they're generous and then people with buyer's remorse coming after them. They have their reasons. But again, at the end of the day, if you want to get as much as possible, you need to get an attorney.